Good morning, everyone. It is Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. It is Thursday, June 16th, and welcome to a day in my life. So it's around 5:45 a.m. I just woke up. I couldn't sleep anymore. It's raining really bad right now, and it kind of woke me up, but this is about when I usually get up. Now, usually the kids are awake, or at least one of them is kind of awake at this point, but no one is awake right yet. We had like a really fun party last night, and I think they're all pretty exhausted. So I just stepped into my office for a minute because my husband is actually still sleeping. When I wake up, I typically make the bed first thing, but it's actually cleaning people day, so I'm going to strip that once he wakes up. And I just popped into my office to check on a couple of work emails and also take a look at my planner for the day. So I just cleared off my desk and everything. This is what I like to call cleaning people mode for the office. But before I run downstairs to make coffee, I just am gonna move a couple of things on my Kanban board. Mostly I just wanted to move a work thing over and just take a look at the videos that I should be working on today. So we had a party here last night for our preschool graduation, and here is all that is left of the cake. There were so many kids here, all outside. It was super, super fun. But yeah, we have just a teensy bit of cake left. This my husband's either gonna take to work, or if it's too damaged, we're just gonna toss. So now I'm just getting ready, although ready is a bit of an understatement because I'm probably just going to keep these shorts and t-shirt on for carpool run and stuff. I don't wear a lot of makeup typically, but I do like to put sunscreen on in the morning. So I have either my Kiehl's face cream, which has SPF in it, or my Coola BB cream, which also has SPF in it. And I usually just put one or the other on, just depending on how I'm feeling today. I think I'm going to put on the Coola since I am doing a little bit of filming face front, which you've already seen me without any makeup, but I actually, generally speaking, wear very little to no makeup every day. And then if I'm feeling super shiny, I do have like a Bare Minerals matte that I sometimes wear. Usually I wouldn't put this on in the morning. It would just be like if I was going somewhere, going out or whatever. But again, because we're filming, but I'm not going to do really much more than that because I am going for a haircut today and they're just going to be, washing my hair and all that stuff. So I don't want to get too fancy or anything. But while I'm in here, I will just show you one last thing. The only other thing that I do ever wear is mascara. That's like pretty much it for makeup unless we're going somewhere really fancy. I'm not going to put this on right now, but it is a Thrive Cosmetics mascara and this is my absolute favorite mascara. So I'm pretty much ready to go. We're going to get lunches packed up and all that stuff and then run the kids to school. So I just finished dropping the kids off from school and the cleaners are actually already at the house. I saw them as I was pulling out of the driveway. So I'm going to try and stay out for about an hour to let them finish up. They should be done around like 9:15, 9:30. They do come with like a full team of 3, sometimes even 4 people. It's fantastic. They're so speedy and so good. So very excited about that. Also, it's Thursday. So usually I would have the baby home with me. Our youngest usually only goes to school Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But because it's the last day of school, she's actually going today. So I have a kid-free day and also I actually don't have any work right now. As of right now, some stuff may come up because I did have something published this morning, but I don't have any work right now. It's been such a busy couple weeks, so I'm really excited about that. So usually I would just like run to Target or something, but I'm trying not to go to Target at all this month. I am doing a low spend, both for planner and crafting stuff, but also just in life. For me, that just means trying to be really thoughtful before I buy something and just not buying something just because I want it and really thinking about it. For stickers, that's actually been really helpful. There's so many cute fall releases coming out right now, but I'm just trying to tell myself shelf, more stuff is going to come out, and anything that you really like is going to come back before you would need it in the fall. Shops keep their stickers, the kits in stock for the most part, and all of those cute foil releases are going to come back for like a bring it back before fall starts. So I'm really trying not to panic. The only sticker supplies thing like that I've bought all month so far is one Simply Gilded order, and I'm really happy with that. So I am just really just trying to take it easy this month. I went a little overboard in May, as you've probably seen from my recent hauls in April and May, really just stress from work and life and everything, and I am definitely a stress shopper, so I'm trying to not do that. So that being said, it's also raining, so I can't like go sit outside somewhere, and I would usually just like grab a coffee, chill for a little, maybe read, but it's raining, so I'm not going to sit outside. So there is one errand that I'm going to do. This is usually something that my husband does, but we're headed to the beach tomorrow for about a week while the kids are off school in between camp and in between when school ends and camp starts, and we like to bring some meat down with us from the butcher. It is a Wild Fork, which is a smallish chain. If you have one in your area, I highly recommend checking it out. It's really, really cool. They have really great high quality meat. Everything is frozen, and you can get it in like kind of club pack size or in smaller sizes, and it's just really like, it's like good prices, grocery store prices, not super expensive, and just really nice. So I'm gonna go pick up some stuff for us to take down to the beach with us, and it's all frozen, and then I will probably head home in a little and chill for a bit before my haircut. Okay, so I just got home and the cleaners are still here, so I am just gonna run this all down to the freezer, grab a sweatshirt because it's actually kind of chilly, and then I am gonna maybe grab some nail stuff and paint my nails outside while they are finishing up. But I did want to just show you what I got. We got 2 boxes of burgers, some pork ribs, some chicken wings, some sausage, split chicken breasts, and skirt steak, which has become like my favorite cut of meat. I love the store. The store is gorgeous on the inside, but I also just really love cooking for a crowd, so it's really fun to buy stuff for the beach house since my whole family is down there. We are oftentimes 12 with like my brother and his kids and my parents and everything, so that's really, really fun, and we can do like some bigger cuts of meat like the pork ribs, so which we wouldn't usually just do for our family. So it is really a fun way to shop and cook. I do really enjoy cooking for a crowd. So I just brought down an assortment of nail stuff. I was originally hoping I would just be able to like touch these up, but because I am planning to get my nails done while we're at the beach, but I just think that they look kind of too chipped, so I might just have to repaint them. So it took me about 1,000,000 years to paint my nails, and honestly, it's not my best work, but good enough. I'm gonna sit and let them dry for a few minutes because I don't wanna mess them up, because I feel like I've already repainted one hand like 7 times. And then I'm gonna head back inside, do a couple of things, and then head to my haircut. The cleaners are all done. Okay, so my haircut is all done. I'm very happy. It feels so good, and my house is super clean, and I do have like a bunch of laundry to fold, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of filming and just hang out for a little while longer. I'm having such a nice day. It honestly feels so good to relax. I've had a very stressful couple of weeks, and I am so glad that I had the baby go to school today so that I can enjoy the sort of last day of school and have just like a very relaxing, chill, kid-free day to cap off the school year before we head into like full-on kid zone time for the time they have off in between camp and school. I'm getting all set up to film a little bit. Nothing too major going on today, but I am going to film my July kit lineup and then a little intro, outro for a digital plan with me, or a digital planning video that I have been working on and I'm really excited for. And those are the two kind of filming things that I wanted to get done today. I'm trying to get the rest of my videos for the month prepped since the kids are going to be off for a little more than a week in between camp and school. So I've got my camera all mounted and my kits all pulled out. So I'm just going to go ahead and film this. Okay, I am off to pick up the kids from carpool, and I am doing this really quick check on the go because I'm running super late because I ignored my alarm that went off telling me it was time to get ready to go, and kept going for another 5 minutes doing some content stuff, but I did finish up what I was trying to do, and now I need to go pick the kids up from school. I am back from pickup and I've got a whole mess of stuff to sort through. We played outside for a little while, but honestly, the kids are having an afternoon, so we came inside, they're watching a little TV, and I need to clean up the hot mess of school supplies and leftovers that were sent home. Okay, it's around 5:30. I'm gonna get dinner stuff set up in just a minute. I was just taking care of the rest of the laundry and I popped back up here because before I left to pick the kids up from school, I did not do my pending list or look at my planner, but I just went ahead and took care of that. I don't really have too much going on. We're just getting ready to go. We did okay with screen time. I did that. We had a little bit of a rough afternoon. Everyone, emotions were running high on the last day of school, but we are doing okay now, and we are going to go down to the beach tomorrow, and I would actually like to take a little bit of planner stuff with me because we're going to be there well into next week. So I'm going to pack up some stuff that matches this, and then also probably some stuff for next week. I did set up my Moxie Life in advance for next week. The kids are off school all week, so this is going to be pretty low-key, just focused on having fun at the beach, but I do want to pack some stuff to just kind of set up in case I'm doing things in my planner. I still have like a little bit of work to keep track of and things to keep track of and all that, so I will be taking this with me. So I do have a Simply Gilded pen case that I'm going to pack up with some pens and washies and stuff. Sorry about the banging, but so what I think I will do is grab these two washies here that are gold and that are not washies that I used last week, but are ones where I can pair the same accent washies, like the same thin washies, and also the same markers. That way I can pack a little bit less, but have a different feeling spread. So I'm gonna head back down for family time, and I will be back after the kids go to sleep. Okay, so I am just about done for the day. I'm gonna just watch like a little bit more TV before I head to bed. My husband and I, we ended up just kind of eating leftovers and stuff with the kids tonight. We had just had so much leftover pizza from the party that we didn't end up ordering takeout. And then we watched TV for a little bit, and I have some YouTube videos and other stuff that I feel like watching now and just kind of laying down and getting an early night because I'm just absolutely exhausted. But I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for this day. If you did, definitely let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more vlogs and stuff like this on the channel. And otherwise, stay tuned for more regular planner content, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and follow me on Instagram to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!